Thank you very much. Congratulations. Joke lang yun na, hindi lang photo, pero pa kayo special prizes na makukuha. Salamat po.
Saktong screen lang sa kanya.
And that wraps up our last round. Nanalo ang Group 2. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, correct. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat sa mga winners natin. You may claim your prize from our Shopee representative.
Thank you everyone for joining, and you may now return to your seats.
But before anything else, of course, picking off the photo ops now. Let's have a quick photo op. Correct. Let's have a quick photo op once again.
So much
But, guys, before you leave, is there anything you'd like to say to our media attendees, employees, and other guests who are part of the Shopee family?
Sa lahat ng mga media attendees, at lahat po na narito ngayon, maraming salamat for supporting this event, for supporting this launch. I am very happy at masayang-masaya po ako na narito kayo para samahan ako dito sa pagtanggap ko ng bagong achievement sa aking career. At thank you so much to Shopee family, maraming salamat. And I promise na bibigyan natin ng magandang experience kasama kayo ang ating mga madlang people at patuloy kasama ninyo ay patuloy natin pasasayahin ang ating mga madlang people. Maraming salamat.
Alright, once again, thank you so much for joining us here on stage, Vice Ganda. And ito na nga, there you go. Parang napaka-exciting, no? We have officially launched our new brand ambassador, Shopee brand ambassador for the 99 Super Shopping Day. Again, we'd like to thank Vice Ganda for joining us today. And of course, to our special guest, Governor Dax Kua and Congressman Mindy Moore. Also, make sure to check out Shopee and Vice Ganda's social media channels for exciting collabs this 99 Super Shopping Day.
We are almost done with the program, but of course, tonight won't be complete without